very much for staying with us. Let's get you a report from Mumbai's Chunabhati area, where a 65-year-old building is still awaiting the permission for redevelopment. Now, residents of the Tata Nagar Society area are complaining because the damaged structure is posing a threat to their lives. My colleague Yesha spoke to the residents there. Take a look.
This is the condition of the Tata Nagar Society in Mumbai's Chunabhati area. The 65-year-old building has over 80 tenants. A majority of them are former employees of Swadeshi Mills. A portion of the third-floor corridor of the building collapsed and residents resorted to using a rope to enter their homes. The court proceedings of the building's redevelopment have come to a standstill due to the pandemic.
This particular place called the Tata Nagar at Chunabhati is in a dilapidated condition. This particular building has approximately 122 houses, of which around 80 people are still staying here, whereas others have already left this place because it's in a dilapidated condition. These are all the mill workers who had got this particular residence because they were working at the nearby Swadeshi mill, but it's shut, and around approximately since 7 years there's a case which is going on. But in monsoon, these people face tremendous issues because just above this on the third floor is what we can see. It's completely broken, as a result of which people have to walk using a rope. This entire place is actually running down. It's broken. But despite that, considering that these people do not really have another option, they are still expected to stay here. They have a court case against the particular land owner that is going on. But despite that, the result hasn't come out yet because of the lockdown situation. This is Yesha with Vijay Praful for Republic Media Network.
Residents are living under constant fear that the building may collapse at any given moment.
इसके टाइम पे तो यहाँ से चलने को भी तकलीफ हो रहा है, और समझो गैस सिलेंडर वाला आएगा तो वो भी नहीं आ सकता है, वो भी डरता है आने के लिए, तो हम लोग को उधर से यहाँ लेके जाना पड़ता है। और रात के टाइम नींद नहीं आती बराबर, क्योंकि कहीं भी आवाज़ आती है, कुछ ना कुछ गिरते रहता है, हमेशा गिरते रहता है।
The hapless residents cannot afford to move out of the building due to the high cost of living in a city like Mumbai.
क्योंकि बाहर जाएगा तो तनख्वाह कम है और भाड़ा तो 15,000, 20,000, 25,000 ऐसा है, तो वो भाड़ा देगा तो खाएगा क्या।
तो सर यहाँ पे कितने घर हैं ऐसे?
कम से कम 80 तक होएगा, 60-80 तक होएगा। ये पूरा बिल्डिंग में ना 120 रूम है, जिसके पास पैसा है वो उन लोग शिफ्ट कर दिया।
Despite several assurances by local municipal corporators and MLAs, no help has been provided to these residents.
नगर सेवक बोला, अपने नगर सेवक बोलो या तो आमदार कुडाल, मंगेश कुडालकर, ये बोले थे कि हम लोग को किसी जगह शिफ्ट करेंगे, और शिफ्ट करने के बाद हमको यहीं पे आना ही है। हम लोग ये बोल रहा था कि हम लोग इधर वापस आना चाहिए हमको जब ये डेवलप होने के बाद, तो अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं, शिफ्टिंग भी हुआ नहीं, बीएमसी भी ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, हमेशा वो नोटिस लगा के जाती हैं हर साल।
In a pre-monsoon survey, the BMC has marked the society as unsafe for occupation. Now the onus lies with the authorities to provide some respite to Tata Nagar Society's residents. Will their cry for help be heard by these authorities? Bureau Report, Republic TV.